Welcome to Buddhism is the Truth, where we dive deep into the writings of Nichiren Daishonin and discover how to awaken our highest potential. Right here, right now. Today's teaching on attaining Buddhahood in this lifetime. If you wish to free yourself from the sufferings of birth and death you have endured since time without beginning, Nichiren Daishonin begins with a bold promise. You can attain enlightenment in this lifetime, not in the distant future, not after countless lifetimes, now. And the key? Chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, the mystic law that exists within your own life. Nichiren warns us, even though you chant and believe in Myoho Renge Kyo, if you think the law is outside yourself, you are embracing not the mystic law but an inferior teaching. This is revolutionary. Enlightenment isn't about worshipping a distant Buddha or chasing merit through endless austerities. It's about realizing that the mystic law, the same wisdom that gave rise to all Buddhas, is already within you. A mind now clouded is like a tarnished mirror, but when polished, it is sure to become like a clear mirror. How do we polish our mirror? Only by chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, with deep faith, with the understanding that this practice reveals your true, limitless nature. Life is indeed an elusive reality that transcends both existence and non-existence. It is the mystic entity of the middle way. Every moment of your life is sacred. Your joys and struggles are not obstacles. They are expressions of the mystic law itself. Chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo allows you to experience this directly and transform your karma at the root. Nichiren closes with powerful clarity. If you chant Myoho Renge Kyo with deep faith in this principle, you are certain to attain Buddhahood in this lifetime. No ritual, no hierarchy, just faith, determination, and chanting with your whole heart. Want to walk this path with me? Subscribe to Buddhism is the Truth. Like and comment about your experience with chanting. Share this with someone searching for hope or healing. And above all, chant Nam Myoho Renge Kyo with the unshakable conviction that you are the mystic law itself. Until next time, keep polishing your mirror. Nam Myoho Renge Kyo.